Alright, well, been working on the car. Finally got back around to it. Been out of town for the past week or so, or about a week and a half. Finally got my sunroof open. Went through and pulled bumper, tail lights, trunk lid, back windshield, speakers, those are extras I added in, fuel tank, pretty much everything from bumper to back seat right now. My plan, probably pull the doors apart, pull all the windows out, fix all this broken, cracked seals here. Pulled my dash part in here, getting some stuff out. Pulled all the stuff off the ceiling right here in the front. I don't know if you can see too good or not, but everything's just kind of scattered around right now, but got all my wires and everything loose from back there. Found plenty of rust. And my back glass was destroyed. But there's rust all through where these seals are, all in the seals for the trunk lid. Down here, these holes, there's real bad for rusting. A few places here and there. Really glad I actually did pull everything off. I'll sandblast this. It's not too bad. I'll just sandblast it all out and repaint it, go on with it. But yeah, getting there. Got my shocks and my springs loose. It's probably so dark you can't see, but got it. Half my suspension pulled out underneath. Yeah, hopefully when I'll probably do a video pulling the back glass out of the other car whenever I get back to it, so it'll be a good while when I do it. But to pull the back glass out, you need to pull the chrome off of it. I think I done a video on just showing pulling the chrome off. And then took me and my little brother, and I went inside and pushed out on the back glass, and had to take the seal, kind of wrap it up under the glass all the way across the top and about halfway down both sides. And once it done that, it just kind of popped right out. You also got to make sure the rear defrosters, there's some screws with the wires that hold them in there and on the other side. And to get to those, you have to pull your back seat out, your back dash cover, and your side panels back here. So it takes a little bit of doing, but we got it out. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at so far. Slowly, but my plan is to completely tear down the car. I don't know if I'm gonna tear all the interior out or not, but strip down everything from the outside and fix all the rust, repaint it, and have one solid car again.